Good morning from Devon. We're in Dartmoor National Park in Dart Valley, and we are heading up to, I've wanted to come here for years, over a decade I've been wanting to come here. We're off to Wistman's Wood. But yeah, I'm kind of excited about this. It's pretty early, just gone 8 AM, so it's not too busy at the moment. Just parked up and now we are walking along this little track. Seen a few wild ponies on the way, and yeah, it's a beautiful morning. Kind of excited. Just about see it in the distance. Just looks like a load of bushes from here, to be honest, but once you get up close, I do believe it is pretty impressive if you like lichen and mosses and crazy looking trees. So quiet here. Well, a little bit of a breeze every now and then, but it is really quiet. So we have got a couple of tours up there by the wood as well. So I think that one's Little Longaford. I've been looking. Little Longaford. And the other one, which is just vanishing behind it, there's a couple of ponies up there. You just see, you're not going to pick them up on this even if you've got a massive TV, but there is a couple of ponies just between the two tours up there. And I think the other tour just to the right hand side is Longaford. But yeah, there are a couple of horses up there. And apparently there's a quite a rare, I don't know what bird that was, but quite a rare lichen in here, the horsehair lichen, which is apparently only found in 2 places in the country, this one included. So hopefully we'll spot those. Now you're not allowed to walk in it, you can't go in the actual wood itself, but you can walk round it, because it is protected. There's no camping in the area either. So yeah, you're getting pretty close, not too far away at all now. You can see loads of horsehair lichen on that tree there. Look. Let's take a walk. So here's a better view of the horsehair lichen. Only to be found in 2 parts of the country. There's loads further in, if you look. You see it all. So yeah, it's an oak forest. But as you can see, there are loads of it. It's well worth a visit, but don't come in, don't go in the woods. Be respectful of what they're saying because it is protected, and the more people trample over stuff, and the area will just get smaller and smaller as time goes on, and then it'll vanish. So don't go in the woods. Just walk around it. I mean, apart from the plain, it is very peaceful here. Very peaceful. Some of these old oak trees are pretty amazing looking. So twisted, and branches are all mangled. Got is the wind, just that breeze. we're just taking a bit of a detour up to Longaford Tor. Thought we'd get one in while we're here. Oh. Definitely windier up here. That got steep quick. Oh. Bloody hell. Hopefully get a view up here. We're not even at the top yet. Oh. There we go. Oh. Oh man. Let's cop a load of the view. Here we are. Oh, Jesus. Oh. There you go. Top of the Tor. Don't even know if you can see me. But there you go. Oh, excuse all the puffing and panting. So there, that's looking down to Wistman's Wood. Ingrid's just coming up. So that's looking down back towards the car. And some panoramic views up here. I would love to point stuff out, but I have no idea what I'm pointing at. It is nice though. It is nice. There were horses over here. Oh, the ponies are down that end. The ponies are all the way down there, between the two Tors. So yeah. So there you go, we've done one tour. We got to the top of Longaford Tor. That almost looks like a dog's face looking that way, on that pathway leading down there. There's loads more tours around. I'm not gonna, because I don't know what I'm looking at really. Two there, one over in the distance, in the horizon. Another little one there. There's a load of rocks on that one there, so you can just see. Looks like another one over there. That's one there. I think there's a couple of big ones over there you can see on the horizon. And then these two down here, the one we're on, and one more just down there. And one in the distance. And then down there is Wistman's Wood. Right, we're going to head back down out of this wind. One more swoop past the forest. Yeah, don't fall. With holes. Grass is quite long, so it's hard to get your foot in. You can't see what you're standing on in some places. Another one of these fellas, look, as we're walking back. Had to help him over to the other side, I don't want them squishing him. Nice bit of grass there for you, fella. If that's what you eat, no idea. Oh, right, we're on our way back down. So there you go, that was Wistman's wood. And that will be the end of the video. Nice to squeeze that in that at the end while we're here. If you've made it to the end of this one, thanks for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one. Cheers.